I loved getting hands with the Ark today. It's such an amazing screen.
Having the team here at Samsung kind of show me the features was very beneficial.
Oh my gosh, that is massive.
I was blown away. It's freaking huge.
Seeing this thing in person is a whole nother experience.
To see it in real life, it's something else.
Definitely blew my mind, and the immersion was something that I wasn't really expecting. I haven't ever experienced anything like that.
It also has 4 speakers and 2 woofers, so not only are you immersed with the monitor, but the sound system as well.
The ability to seamlessly turn it into that cockpit mode, and just to have the functionality of having it horizontally like that and vertically, I just don't think I would ever get bored of it.
Usually with gaming monitors, the buttons on the side, they're really hard to navigate, whereas a dial, it's there, it's on your desk, and it's just so easy to use.
My favorite feature of the Ark was the multi-view feature, and that was insane. As a live streamer, I usually have a YouTube video open, I have my live chat, my game. So having that functionality of being able to split screen and do multi-screens, both vertical and horizontal, is going to be extremely useful.
It's huge, it's 55 inches. It'll give me the extra screen real estate to stream, to play games, to create content, which is cool.
To get a panel at this size with its refresh rate, and it's a 1 millisecond response time, and it's a mini LED panel, I think that has to be my favorite feature for sure.
I love the lights on the back as well, because that also adds to the immersion. Just having the lights reflecting, especially when the room's dark, you just feel like you're in the game.
100% will this be part of my gaming setup. Not only gaming, but editing, pictures, videos, everything.